Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Chase app. You will click on settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Chase app and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Chase Mobile. If you find update here, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.